Hey there, Bryson here. In this video, I will be starting a new series called Road to AI. In this series, I will be documenting my progress towards making a program that can learn by itself. I will make a video every 7 days that I do machine learning things, and they will be called weekly videos, even though they probably might not come out weekly. If you want to keep up with more day-to-day progress, you should follow me on my Instagram at mind_of_Bryson. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So, in a summary, basically what I did for week 1 was follow this machine learning recipes with Josh Gordon on Google Developers YouTube channel. And it's pretty nice, and I think it's pretty interesting. I'm not sure if it's like what I thought machine learning was, and then it's probably nowhere close to like powerful machine learning. Well, maybe I could use powerful machine learning by using some TensorFlow libraries or something. I don't know how to make my own like neural networks and stuff like that. Anyway, so this is the program that I made on the first day, which corresponded to the first video in the series. And it's nothing special. It's just importing sklearn. And then I just use some of the libraries that come with it, like the decision tree classifier, and then using the fit method in order to train the tree to the features and labels, and then using the predict function to then predict the values for these things. I can't run it right now because it's importing sklearn and I don't have that for this environment, but I do have it for a different environment. So I know it does work as long as you have sklearn imported. So that was the first day, and then now let's get on to the second day. So it was like this. So it was like training things for flowers, and I was using the iris data set, and I heard it's pretty popular. At least that's what Josh Gordon said. And yeah, it's nothing too different. Yeah, this was trying to print to PDF, but it doesn't work because I think they're using Python 2 in the series and using Python 3. Yeah. And then I skipped a few things. So like over here, yeah, I don't really know what's going on like in the like pipeline thing. But next I made like a KNN classifier thing. And this I can actually run because, actually no, I still can't run because there's still sklearn. But it also works, and it's actually pretty cool. So basically what it does is that like after you have a bunch of points, if there's a new point, it sees which of the pre-existing points it's closest to, and then it associates itself with those. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And finally, this is probably what I spend like a lot of days on. It was understanding the decision tree classifier from scratch. So it was working on machine learning number 8, recipes number 8. I think this is pretty cool because it's like actual pure Python. So like I could actually run this. And then this is basically what it does. So basically it makes a tree and first asks if the color is red. If it's true, then it predicts it's a grape. I thought grapes were purple, but whatever. If it's false, it's going to ask if the color is true, if the color is yellow. And if it's true, then it's going to predict it's an apple or a lemon. I thought apples are red, but okay. But if it's false, then it's apparently an apple. All right. So definitely there's probably put more training data to do more special things, but this is just the default data. And yeah, so maybe I could explain a few things. So yeah, a lot of these are like self-explanatory. So this is unique vowels, this is class counts, it's just is numeric. So okay, so this is a question. So like each split thing has a question, and then this is basically some of the things. This is the setup of a question. So the questions asked are like if a thing is greater than or equal to something, or if they are equal. So it's greater than or equal if it's numeric, and it's equals if they're like strings. Yeah, and then Ginny, I think, is supposed to find like the impurity, I guess. I'm still not completely sure what it does. And actually, a lot of this, I'm still like, I sort of know what's going on, but I'm not like completely sure. Like, I can't build all of this from scratch by myself again. I would probably need help. But that probably sums up this entire like week. So basically, it was just me not really knowing what I'm doing, but apparently doing something so that it works. Hopefully, I could know better what I'm doing right now, because that would be pretty cool. Because this decision tree classifier is an actual decision tree classifier that could actually classify things. In the future, I might try classifying things like, I don't know, Pokemon cards or something like that, and see how well it performs with that data set. So yeah, I also made a graphic. See if I could pull it up. See, this is basically what's going on. And by the way, please follow my Instagram. But yeah, this is basically what's going on. And then yeah, the leaves are the ends, and yeah. So I guess this is it for week 1. Week 2, I probably won't continue with the machine learning recipes, although I found it very interesting. I think I'll probably try doing things with TensorFlow. We're trying to learn more about neural networks because that's what I started this journey for. Anyways, see you soon.